Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Hi, my name is Kim and I'm the founder of Beatique Infusion. Beatique Infusion was established in 2020 in this little small town of Kimberley, and now we have expanded to our own online store where we provide everything from skin to hair and body care products which are natural, vegan friendly, clean beauty, non-toxic and proudly made in South Africa. I started it because I have a very vast range of family members, including myself, that has skin problems and different skin problems, and that is where we have decided to come together and bring up something that can cater for everyone, and that was where Beatique Infusion was born in 2020. Here we have different skincare ranges for different problems, skin problems: anti-aging, dry and mature, hyperpigmentation, uneven marks, and even oily to combination skin and acne-prone skin. We also have our own special facial SPF sunscreen, which is non-greasy and does not leave any white residue. Along with that, we have our luxurious bath and body range where you can indulge in a lovely fizz bath bomb and salts with body butters from a long day at work. Beatique Infusion is available online at www.boutiqueinfusion.co.za and email through boutiqueinfusion@gmail.com, or you can WhatsApp or call us on 066 064 3175 if you need any assistance with skincare consultations or hair needs. Our Instagram handle is boutique_infusion and our Facebook is Beatique Infusion Official. Hi, my name is Kim Coutries and I'm a Township Entrepreneur.